intense this wind is, or the waves. Holy crap. Let's go watch it. There's also this kind of trail over here that I've never really been to, but it's called Bell's View Overlook, which I want to do next time. Hey guys, so now we're at this place. We've been here before, but we're at this lighthouse now because it's been a crazy storm today. I probably shouldn't be going out because there's lightning and thundering happening, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go check it out and see if the waves are crazy in this area. The other spot, they were quite intense, but let's go and check out this spot. Here we go. Okay, here we are, guys. It's so pretty. Literally like walking in a magical forest. That's what it feels like. So awesome. Well, look at this big hole. That would be a cool spot to take a photo. Right there. Definitely would be. So I've never been to this trail, but I've heard of it. I mean, I haven't heard of it. I've never even knew this existed. I've been to this area is what I'm trying to say. The state park. You guys see that? That looks so scary down there. Oh my god. This whole state park is like really interesting. They've got bunkers and things all over the place. Oh, look. Wow. Amazing. So freaking amazing. How cool is that? Oh, sorry. Can you see better now? Sorry, trying to get used to how to film with this thing. Freaking amazing. And then down here is this. It tells you a bit about the area. This is where we're going. Okay, let's go to it. I think we're almost there. Wow. So beautiful. I'm being extra brave today for some reason. Look at that. That's amazing. Freaking beautiful. Wow. Hello. We're almost there. It doesn't take this long to get to it, but I'm just like so memorized by just this area. I bet that view is going to be so nice. Oh my god, I'm excited. We're almost there. Wow, I'm so happy right now. I just don't know why, but I'm so happy. It's amazing out here. I swear. It is very cold and a very windy day, but I think it's worth coming out here to at least see what this is. And it's a very, very, very short walk to the thing. So it's a short trail, basically. I hope you can hear me. I hope the wind is not too loud. You can see the water at the tip over there. We have another sign cool sign. Why is it so cold? Another bunker. Look at that. Another bunker. How cool. Wow. You got a nice view of the water over there. Look creepy. Holy smokes. This bunker, yeah, I kid you not. It is interesting. Wow. Oh my god, look at that view. That view is everything. Gosh. Wow. I can't believe this. Check this out too. Such a nice bunker. Very, very cool. Such a cool spot. I fully haven't explored Cape Disappointment, which I should explore more. Look, there's even like a little bunker down here. Wow. Wow, you guys, check that out. Amazing. I want to check. That kind of looks like a slippery slope. So let me go over here. Wow, I can't believe this. Just how am I this damn lucky to explore such beautiful places? How? Ooh, I'm gonna break my neck. Sorry, I saw some ugly writing on there that I did not like. That's why I made that face. Wow. Wow. Here we go, guys. We are going to see the lookout. Wow. Huh. This is officially my new favorite spot. Look at that. So this was the boardwalk right here, or the little viewpoint lookout. And literally this is the view. How is this possible? It's so pretty. So gorgeous. It's breathtaking, that's for sure. Very beautiful view. This is pretty too, but can't zoom in that much. But I'll post the video on my phone if I record it like this too. But it's just so pretty. We've got another sign here. It's like walking in an enchanted forest. So pretty. I love it. Bye bye, cool thing. Wow, guys. That was honestly breathtaking. Now we're gonna head back down to the parking lot and see. Maybe we'll go to the lighthouse. Let's check it out. Apparently you can spend the night in those houses. They're vacation rentals. Just kind of cool. I guess we're gonna go to the lighthouse. Here. We are almost there. Wow. Wow. Woo! It is windy. So windy. Glorious up here. There she is. Miss Beauty. That's the lighthouse over there, but I don't think I'm gonna go just because it's so cold. But yeah, it was kind of fun out here. Well, not kind of. It was fun. We are heading back to the car because I am cold. My lips are cold. My thighs are freezing. My legs are freezing. So we're gonna go back to the car.